Can the general public attend criminal trials in the United States? Imagine sitting in a courtroom, observing justice unfold firsthand. Many people wonder whether they can simply walk into a criminal trial and witness the proceedings. The answer is not straightforward, as it depends on various factors including the type of trial, the jurisdiction, and specific courtroom rules. In general, most criminal trials in the United States are open to the public. This openness is rooted in the constitutional right to a fair trial, which includes the public's right to observe the proceedings. The Sixth Amendment of the United States Constitution guarantees the accused the right to a speedy and public trial. This means that, in most cases, members of the community can attend and observe the trial unless certain exceptions apply. However, there are situations where access may be limited or restricted. For example, in cases involving minors, victims of certain crimes, or sensitive information, courts may impose restrictions to protect privacy or safety. Judges have the authority to close parts of a trial or the entire proceeding if they determine that openness would compromise privacy rights, safety, or the integrity of the judicial process. Additionally, some high-profile cases may have heightened security measures, which could include restrictions on the number of attendees or specific entry procedures. Courthouses also often have security screenings similar to airport security, and attendees may be required to pass through metal detectors or have their belongings checked. It is also important to note that seating in courtrooms is typically limited. Visitors usually need to arrive early and may need to be on a waiting list or obtain special permission to attend. Some courts provide live streams or recordings of proceedings for those who cannot attend in person, especially during high-profile cases or during times when public health concerns restrict gatherings. In summary, while the general rule is that criminal trials are open to the public, various circumstances can influence access. The right to observe proceedings is a fundamental aspect of the justice system, but it is balanced with considerations for privacy, safety, and courtroom logistics.